guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Curel and their skincare line. Did anyone know that a skincare line? Like, did anyone? How did I not know that they didn't have a skincare line? I was in Ulta and I saw their products and I was like, whoa, stop the world. First of all, Curel is a Japanese brand. That's crazy in and of itself. I literally had no idea that they were even a Japanese brand. It's Japanese skincare. So like, I've always known Curel as like the body lotion company. I don't know if anyone else knew that there was like a, well, obviously other people did, knew that there was a skincare line. I don't know how new it is or if it's new. And I saw it, it was like love at first sight because it screams like CeraVe to me. It screams like science-based, value-driven, really effective skincare that's actually like really good for the skin and makes the skin look good. The moment I saw it, I just like instantly fell in love with it. I got one of their products, I think they had 5 at Sephora. I got this one, this is their makeup cleansing gel. At first impression, I absolutely loved this product. Like, this product is crazy. Like, look at how thick this is. This is the thickest. It's literally like honey. It's the thickest cleansing gel, makeup balm, whatever you want to call it, especially coming in like a squeeze bottle like this. Like normally something this thick should come in like a jar. This is very thick. How many times am I gonna say that? Okay, the only issue is it doesn't really get makeup off, at least the type of makeup I wear. If you wear like an SPF, maybe it would get that off, like an SPF or like a tinted moisturizer, no mascara, no eyeliner, nothing like that. You might be able to swing it if you wash your face like a couple times and follow obviously with a regular cleanser, but this is intended to be a first cleanse, a makeup cleansing gel, which means it's gonna take your makeup off. So the issue is it doesn't do that. It smears it around and it literally leaves a residue all over, like all over. You got black and brown and shit all over your eye area and like your cheekbones, because you're like, oh yeah, it's breaking it up, it's getting all the makeup off, and then all of a sudden you wash your face and it's like, oh shit, it's still like residue everywhere. Even when I follow with my second cleanse, it still doesn't break it up all the way because my second cleanse is very gentle. It's just not strong enough to break down eye makeup for the most part. So I repurposed it, which I'm so excited to have repurposed it because I hate wasting shit. So I use this now as a cleanser in the morning. As you guys know, I don't normally cleanse my skin in the morning. I would just like rinse my skin with water or use a micellar water or whatever. But now I keep this in the shower and I use it as my morning cleanser because it is so incredibly, crazily gentle that if you have no makeup on, it makes this an amazing cleanser. It's not a makeup cleansing gel, that's for sure. For me personally, the first ingredient in here is sorbitol, which is crazy. I thought it was crazy that it wasn't water. And sorbitol is a humectant, and sorbitol, capric triglyceride, water is the third ingredient. It has glycerin, and it has some other shit I can't pronounce. It does have isopropyl alcohol, second to last ingredient, but I don't get any dryness at all with this. It does say it's fragrance free, it's pH balanced, there's ceramides in here. This product does not have ceramides in it. I looked it up and it has a ceramide care system, which is basically just saying that it doesn't strip your skin and it's not going to deplete your ceramides, the ceramide content in your skin, but it doesn't have ceramides. It's a little deceptive, to be honest. Just for hoes that don't pay attention, I guess, like me. It says that it cleanses away makeup and sebum while protecting the skin's natural ceramides from being washed off the skin. I believe it does that for sure, for sure. So that's that. Let me know if you guys have tried their products. I'm definitely gonna be trying more. I love them as a brand. I love gentle skincare. Love gentle drugstore unfragrant skincare. That's like my spirit animal. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.